Have you ever thought about starting your own online business? It's a compelling thought, isn't it? The world of online business is a vast and bustling marketplace, filled with opportunities for those willing to take the leap. Every day, more and more people are tapping into the potential of the digital realm, harnessing the power of the internet to bring their ideas to life. Whether it's selling products, offering services, or sharing your expertise, owning an online business can be a rewarding venture. It's a path that offers flexibility, control, and the potential to reach a global audience. But how do you get started? That's the question we're here to answer. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps involved in launching your own online enterprise, from identifying your business idea to making your grand debut in the digital marketplace. So, are you ready? Follow along as we delve into the steps to kickstart your online business journey. The first step in starting an online business is identifying your business idea. Unearthing the concept that will form the bedrock of your online venture is both an exciting and daunting task. It's akin to finding the North Star in your entrepreneurial journey. Your business idea should be something that resonates with you, something that aligns with your passion and leverages your skills. You see, when passion and skills intersect, magic happens. That magic is what drives innovation, resilience, and ultimately, success. Now you may wonder, how do I identify my business idea? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but there are several strategies you can adopt. Let's explore a few. First, consider your interests and passions. What gets your heart racing? What could you happily spend hours doing? Identifying what you love can lead you to a business idea that not only brings you joy, but also keeps you motivated during challenging times. Second, reflect on your skills and expertise. What are you good at? What knowledge or skills do you possess that others might find valuable? By leveraging your existing skills, you can create a business that capitalizes on your strengths and sets you apart from the competition. Third, consider solving a problem or filling a gap in the market. Is there a product or service you wish existed? Can you identify a need that's currently not being met? If so, there's your business idea. Once you have a list of potential ideas, it's time to evaluate their viability. Ask yourself, is there a market for this? Can it be monetized? Is it scalable? By answering these questions, you can whittle down your list and hone in on the idea that has the greatest potential. Remember, your business idea doesn't have to be revolutionary. It just needs to be something you believe in and are willing to commit to. Once you've identified your business idea, it's time to move on to the next step: market research. Market research is a crucial step in setting up your online business. It's the compass guiding you through the vast digital landscape, helping you find your way to success. But what is market research exactly? In a nutshell, market research is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data about your target market, your competition, and the environment in which your business operates. It's about understanding the needs and preferences of your potential customers and how you can meet them better than anyone else. Think of market research as a detective's investigation. It's about gathering clues, piecing together a picture of your market, and using that picture to make informed decisions. It's a strategic move that can save you time, money, and a lot of guesswork. Now, how do we conduct market research? There are several methods, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. One popular option is online surveys. These are relatively cheap and easy to distribute, and they allow you to gather a large amount of data in a short time. You can ask your respondents about their buying habits, preferences, and pain points, giving you valuable insights straight from the horse's mouth. Another method is competitor analysis. This means studying your competitors to understand their strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. You can learn a lot from what others are doing right and wrong. A word of caution though, don't just copy what others are doing. Use this information to differentiate your business and create a unique value proposition. There are also other methods like focus groups, interviews, and observational research. The key is to choose the methods that best suit your business and budget. Remember, market research isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process as markets change and evolve over time. Regularly updating your market research can help you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changes in your industry. With your market research in hand, you're ready to start building your online presence. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your market, the better equipped you'll be to succeed in the online business world. Building your online presence is an essential part of starting your online business. In the digital age, creating a professional website and establishing a robust social media presence is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Your website is your business's digital storefront, and your social media channels are the avenues through which you engage with your audience. Let's start with your website. It's the hub of your online operations, the place where potential customers can learn about your offerings, understand your mission, and engage with your brand. There are many platforms out there that can help you create a website, even if you don't have any coding knowledge. WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace are a few examples. These platforms offer customizable templates, allowing you to create a website that truly reflects your brand. Now let's talk about social media. It's a powerful tool for building relationships with your audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn can help you reach a wide array of potential customers. Each platform has its unique strengths. Instagram, for instance, is great for visually focused businesses, while LinkedIn is ideal for B2B companies. But remember, it's not just about being on social media. It's about being active and engaging. To manage your social media effectively, consider using tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. These allow you to schedule posts, monitor engagement, and analyze performance across multiple platforms. They can be real game changers in helping you maintain a consistent online presence. But building an online presence isn't just about having a website and being on social media. It's about creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics, the content you create should provide value and establish you as an authority in your field. Remember, building your online presence is a process. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with patience and persistence, you can create an online presence that truly represents your brand and connects with your audience. Now that you've built your online presence, it's time to launch your business. The exciting part has arrived. It's time to launch your online business. Launching a business, especially an online one, is a thrilling journey. It's the culmination of all your hard work, planning, and preparation. But remember, a successful launch goes beyond simply making your business live on the internet. It's about making a memorable entrance into the market, creating a buzz, and attracting those crucial first customers. The key to a successful launch is planning. You wouldn't host a party without sending out invitations, would you? Similarly, your business launch needs to be announced and promoted. You could consider using social media platforms to create anticipation, or even partner with influencers who can help spread the word. Creating a marketing strategy is a fundamental part of this process. How will you reach your target audience? What message do you want to send? These are the questions that will guide your marketing efforts. You might consider starting a blog or a podcast, running ads, or harnessing the power of search engine optimization. One effective strategy to attract initial customers is offering discounts or special promotions. Everyone loves a good deal, and this could be the incentive needed to draw people in. You could offer a discount code for the first 100 customers or a special gift for the first 1,000. The key is to make your early customers feel special and appreciated. Another strategy is to run a launch event. This could be an online webinar, a live Q&A session, or even a virtual party. The aim is to create a sense of community and engagement around your brand. It's also an excellent opportunity to showcase your products or services and answer any questions potential customers might have. But remember, launching your business is just the first step. The real work begins once your business is live. You'll need to continue marketing, tweaking your product or service based on customer feedback, and constantly looking for ways to improve and grow. Congratulations! You've launched your online business. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Starting an online business can seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. We've navigated the process together, from identifying your business idea, conducting market research, building your online presence, to finally launching your business. Remember, each step is crucial in its own right. Your business idea is the seed from which your enterprise will grow. Market research then helps you validate that idea, ensuring there's a demand for what you're offering. Building an online presence is all about creating a digital storefront where customers can learn about and interact with your business. Lastly, launching your business is the culmination of all your hard work, the moment you open your virtual doors to the world. So don't hesitate. Take that first step. Whether it's brainstorming business ideas or conducting market research, start somewhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your online business journey today.